Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where we share with you the best tips and tricks to help you achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Today's topic is all about how to be a successful entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur can be challenging, but it's also one of the most rewarding experiences in life. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable insights on what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. So let's get started. Find your passion. The first step to becoming a successful entrepreneur is finding your passion. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited? Once you identify your passion, you can turn it into a business idea. Your passion will drive your motivation, and it will help you stay focused during the challenging times. Develop a plan. The second step to becoming a successful entrepreneur is developing a plan. You need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and how you're going to achieve it. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, objectives, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and any other relevant information. Build a strong team. The third step to becoming a successful entrepreneur is building a strong team. No entrepreneur can succeed on their own. You need a team of people who share your vision, believe in your mission, and are committed to helping you achieve your goals. Hire people who have the skills and experience you need to grow your business. Take risks. The fourth step to becoming a successful entrepreneur is taking risks. Entrepreneurship is all about taking calculated risks. You need to be willing to step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and take bold actions. Don't be afraid to fail because failure is a learning experience that can help you grow and improve. Never stop learning. The fifth and final step to becoming a successful entrepreneur is never stop learning. The world of entrepreneurship is constantly evolving, and you need to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences, read books, and connect with other entrepreneurs to stay updated and informed. Becoming a successful entrepreneur takes hard work, dedication, and a lot of patience. But if you're willing to put in the effort and follow these steps, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Remember to find your passion, develop a plan, build a strong team, take risks, and never stop learning. We hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you all the best on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.